Hello guys, welcome to Raffle Math Room. Today I'll solve this exponential 6 to the power a plus 6 to the power a plus 6 to the power a divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power a equals 36. Then what is the value of a? So take a look, we can common here 6 to the power a from this equation. Then we'll write 1 plus 1 plus 1 bracket divided by, we can common here 2 to the power a, then we can write 1 plus 1 equals 36. After that we will write like 6 to the power a times 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3 divided by 2 to the power a times 1 plus 1 equal 2 equal 36. After that we can write like 6 to the power a divided by 2 to the power a times 3 to the power 2 equals 36. After that we can write 6 to the power a divided by 2 to the power a equal 36. This 2 to the power 3 will be left side, then we'll get times 2 to the power divided by 3. After that this 3 and this 36 will be cancelled out, then we'll write 12. Then we can write 6 power a divided by 2 to the power a equal 12 times 2. After solving this equation we can write exponential. We know exponential formula like a power x divided by b power x equal to a by b bracket power x. So after applying this formula we can write 6, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, then 3 to the power a equal 24. 3 to the power a equal 24. Then we can use both side log, then we can write 3 to the power a equal log 24. Here we have formula, log a to the power x equal x log a. After applying this exponential equation, then this Olympiad math will be simplified more. Then we can write a times log 3 equal log 24. After solving this, we can write a equal log 24 divided by this log 3 will be in here log 3. After simplify this, we can write a equal log 3 times 8, because 3 times 8 equal 24, and we can write divided by log 3. Formula, this is log bracket a times b bracket equal log a plus log b bracket. So here we have to use like a equal log 3 plus log 8 divided by log 3. Then we can write a equal log 3 plus log, we know 8 equal 2 to the power cube. Then we can write this log 3 in here, log 3. Now here we have to use another exponential log formula, was log 8 to the power x equal x log a. Then we can easily write from this from here we can easily apply this exponential equation in here. Then we can write a equal log 3 plus 3 log 2. This Math Olympiad question is simplified in here. Very easy way. To the power 3. After that we can write log 3 divided by log 3 plus 3 log 2 divided by 3. Then we can write this log 3 will be cancelled out. Here we can get it 1 and 3 times log 2 divided by log 3. After that we can write this another exponential equation to solve and simplify. This log equation is now a to the power log to the power a and log to the power b equal log b to the power a. After applying this, we can write the main formula is like 1 plus 3 times log. This 3 will be in here and this 2 will be like a is going here. Then we can get this real solve. This is the solution of this exponential equation. Thank you.